Welcome to AI Waves channel, your go-to source for everything AI. Before we dive into the fascinating world of voice assistants and the cutting-edge technology powering them, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things AI. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and is based on the information available as of the current date. Let's get started. Imagine a world where your every command is met with an immediate response, where convenience is just a voice command away. Welcome to the era of voice assistants. These clever pieces of technology have woven themselves into the fabric of our daily lives, becoming virtual companions that are always ready to lend a helping hand. Whether it's setting an alarm for the morning, playing your favorite playlist, or even ordering a pizza, voice assistants have you covered. Two main contenders lead this revolution, each a household name in its own right: Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant. These voice assistants have transformed our interaction with technology, making it more natural and intuitive. They've moved us away from screens and keyboards towards a more human-like way of communicating. With their help, we've turned our homes into smart homes, our cars into smart cars, and our lives into smart lives. Alexa, named after the ancient library of Alexandria, aims to make vast amounts of information as easy to access as possible. It's known for its compatibility with a wide range of devices and its ability to handle a plethora of tasks. Whether you're asking for the weather forecast, controlling your smart home devices, or needing help with a recipe, Alexa is there for you. On the other side, we have Google Assistant, Google's own take on a voice-activated helper. Leveraging Google's extensive search capabilities, it provides answers to virtually any question you might have. It's also quite adept at understanding context, making your conversations with it feel more natural and fluid. But as we interact with Alexa or Google Assistant, have you ever paused and wondered, how do they do it? How do these devices understand my commands and respond so accurately? Well, that's where the magic of artificial intelligence, or AI, comes in. The technology behind these voice assistants is nothing short of fascinating, and it's this technology that we'll be exploring in our video today. Let's delve deeper into how these devices understand and respond to our commands so effortlessly. Ever wondered how Alexa or Google Assistant can comprehend your commands? The secret lies in the incredible world of natural language processing. Now, what exactly is this? Natural language processing, or NLP, is a branch of artificial intelligence that gives machines the ability to read, understand, and derive meaning from human languages. It's like teaching a new language to a child, but in this case, the child is a machine. But how does NLP work? Imagine you're asking Alexa to play your favorite song. The voice assistant first converts your spoken words into text, a process known as speech recognition. The text is then processed through several stages, including tokenization, where the input is broken down into smaller pieces called tokens. Next, it undergoes syntactic analysis, where the structure of the sentence is examined. The system then performs semantic analysis to grasp the meaning of the sentence, taking into account the context and the specific words used. Once the system understands the command, it generates a suitable response. This could be playing your desired song or asking for clarification if the command was unclear. The response is then converted back into speech, making the conversation smooth and natural. This whole process happens in a fraction of a second, making it seem like you're having a real conversation. Now, in the case of Alexa and Google Assistant, these voice assistants use advanced NLP models to not only understand and interpret commands, but also to learn and improve over time. They learn from each interaction, becoming better at predicting and understanding your requests. This constant learning and adapting is what makes these voice assistants so impressive and user-friendly. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. Let's get to the core of these voice assistants. What really makes them tick? Stay tuned to find out how neural networks and deep learning contribute to their remarkable capabilities. Neural networks and deep learning, the two pillars of AI, are at the heart of voice assistants. These complex systems, inspired by the human brain, are the driving forces behind the seemingly magical capabilities of Alexa and Google Assistant. The human brain is a marvel of nature, capable of processing and interpreting vast amounts of information. This intricate network of neurons communicates through electrical impulses, allowing us to think, learn, and adapt. In a similar vein, neural networks, the core of AI, are designed to mimic this process. They consist of numerous interconnected layers of artificial neurons, or nodes, which process and transmit data. Just as the human brain learns from experiences, these networks learn from data, lots of it. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, takes this concept a step further. By using multiple layers of neural networks, deep learning models can learn to recognize patterns in data, be it text, images, or in the case of voice assistants, human speech. This is the magic behind how Alexa and Google Assistant can understand your voice commands, even with all its nuances and variations. Speech recognition, the first stage in a voice assistant's process, relies heavily on these models. They convert your spoken words into text that the AI can understand. The AI then uses natural language processing to interpret the meaning behind this text. It's like the voice assistant's ability to comprehend and respond to your requests, similar to how we understand and respond to each other's speech. But it doesn't stop there. The AI also uses these models to generate human-like responses. It's as if the AI is holding a conversation with you, and it's getting better at it every day. In essence, neural networks and deep learning have allowed us to create machines that can understand, learn, and respond in ways that were once the exclusive domain of humans. They are, without a doubt, the brain of voice assistants. Now that we've understood the technology, let's pit Alexa and Google Assistant against each other. It's time for the main event, Alexa versus Google Assistant. How do they fare in understanding context, managing dialogues, and providing accurate responses? Let's start with understanding context. This is where Google Assistant shines. Leveraging Google's vast search database and contextual understanding capabilities, it excels at understanding the context of conversations. You can ask follow-up questions without repeating the context and it'll catch on. Alexa, on the other hand, while competent, still has some catching up to do in this arena. Moving on to managing dialogues. Here, both voice assistants display remarkable prowess. They can carry on lengthy conversations thanks to their advanced dialogue management systems. However, Google Assistant takes a slight edge due to its ability to handle multiple commands in a single sentence, a feature Alexa is yet to master fully. Now let's talk about providing accurate responses. Both Alexa and Google Assistant are quite reliable, but their accuracy levels can vary. For general queries, Google Assistant often provides more detailed responses thanks to its access to Google's extensive search engine data. Alexa, on the other hand, is no slouch and excels particularly in home automation tasks, thanks to Amazon's broad ecosystem of smart home devices. But what about handling complex tasks? Here's where things get interesting. Alexa uses a skill-based model, which means developers can create specific skills that users can enable. This allows for a high level of customization, but can also lead to inconsistencies in user experience. Google Assistant, on the other hand, offers a more unified approach where all capabilities are built into the system. So, while it might not offer the same level of customization as Alexa, it often provides a more consistent user experience. Let's not forget about the personal touch. Both Alexa and Google Assistant are continually evolving to offer more personalized experiences. They can recognize different voices, personalize responses, and even predict user behavior to some extent. However, when it comes to understanding and replicating human-like conversation, Google Assistant's duplex technology, which can make phone calls on your behalf, is a game changer. But the battle isn't just about who's the best today. It's about continuous improvement, learning, and adaptation to create more intuitive, efficient, and personalized user experiences. And in that regard, both Alexa and Google Assistant are winners. Both Alexa and Google Assistant have their unique strengths, but the future of conversational AI holds even more promise. As we gaze into the crystal ball, the future of conversational AI looks incredibly exciting. The rapid advancements in natural language processing, neural networks, and deep learning are continually pushing the boundaries of what voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant can do. Today, these voice assistants are capable of understanding and responding to our commands, but the future promises so much more. We are on the brink of a new era where these assistants won't just respond to our queries but will also anticipate our needs, offer personalized insights, and engage in fluid, human-like conversations. Imagine a world where your voice assistant isn't just an inanimate device but a personal aid, one that is capable of understanding your mood, your preferences, and your needs. It could suggest a calming tune when you're stressed, remind you of your friend's birthday, or even recommend a new recipe based on your dietary preferences. All these possibilities are gradually becoming a reality, thanks to the leaps in natural language processing. But it doesn't stop there. The advancements in neural networks and deep learning are set to revolutionize voice assistants' capabilities further. These technologies are helping voice assistants understand and interpret complex human speech patterns, tone of voice, and even sarcasm, making interactions more nuanced and natural. Moreover, the integration of these assistants into various aspects of our lives will continue to grow. From being the heart of smart homes, guiding us through traffic, to becoming an integral part of our workspaces, voice assistants are set to become ubiquitous. Furthermore, as these technologies evolve, we can expect a surge in the number of languages and dialects these assistants can understand and converse in, breaking the language barrier and making technology more accessible to people worldwide. However, with these exciting advancements also come challenges. Ensuring user privacy and data security, dealing with the ethical implications of AI, and making the technology inclusive and accessible to all will be paramount. The future of voice assistants will not just be about technological advancements, but also about addressing these critical issues. So, as we stand on the cusp of this new era, the potential of voice assistants is immense. From being simple command-based devices, they are evolving into intelligent, intuitive, and personalized assistants. The future of voice assistants, powered by advancements in AI, is not just about making our lives easier but also about creating a more connected, inclusive, and accessible world. It's about transforming the way we interact with technology and the world around us. The future of voice assistants is bright, and we can't wait to see what's next. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of Alexa, Google Assistant, and the technology powering them. We've explored the dawn of voice assistants, the incredible tech behind their conversation skills, and how their artificial brains mimic our own. We've also witnessed an exciting showdown pitting Alexa against Google Assistant, and looked ahead to the future of these remarkable tools. While they may seem like everyday items, remember that these voice assistants are the product of complex algorithms and cutting-edge technology. Their ability to understand and respond to our commands is testament to the incredible potential of conversational AI. As we move forward, the role of these voice assistants will only grow, becoming even more integrated into our daily lives. The advancements in AI are truly captivating, and we're just scratching the surface of what's possible. Thank you for joining us on this exploratory journey into the world of Alexa, Google Assistant, and the incredible technology behind them. If you're as fascinated by the advancements in AI as we are, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep riding the AI waves, keep riding the AI waves.